Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Storefront. First, log into your Seller Central account. From there, find the Stores tab and click Manage Stores. You'll then select Create Store and choose the brand you wish to represent. This initial setup is crucial for establishing your brand's presence on Amazon, laying the groundwork for a successful online shop. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few minutes to complete. Once your store is created, it's time to design your pages. The Store Builder tool offers a drag-and-drop interface, making customization simple. You can add multiple pages, like a new arrivals or bestsellers section, using pre-designed templates. Remember to upload high-resolution images and engaging videos to capture customer attention. Thoughtful design helps showcase your products effectively and enhances the shopping experience for visitors. Now, let's add your products and rich content. You can easily add individual products or entire categories to your storefront pages. Consider using shoppable images, where customers can click directly on a product within a lifestyle photo. Craft clear and concise product descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Integrating lifestyle imagery helps customers visualize using your products, making their purchasing decision much easier and more informed. Finally, it's time to publish and promote your Amazon storefront. Before going live, thoroughly review every page to ensure accuracy and a polished look. Once you're satisfied, submit your store for Amazon's approval, which typically takes a few business days. After approval, share your unique storefront URL across your social media and marketing channels. Consider using Amazon ads to further drive targeted traffic and maximize your store's visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.